thrilled and excited to show you our Tilli Social Emotional Learning Kit. Research that came out showed that 9 out of 10 kids that use the Tilli Learning Box have been able to dramatically improve their ability to recognize and manage big feelings. The kit has been beautifully designed for 5 to 10-year-olds and has been used in schools, classrooms, by counselors, and even in hospitals to make sessions easier for kids. The first thing you'll see is our emotion card deck, which comes with dozens of emotion cards to help kids build their emotional ability. Then we come to what we call our scenario cards. It's pointless for kids to learn their different emotion words if they don't understand what scenarios they can use it in. Then we come to one of my favorite card decks in our box, the ABCDE card deck. You have to get your hands on the kit to figure out what this is, but what it does is give little ones strategies to help them manage big emotions. It also comes with one of our books called Feelings and Emotions to help parents and teachers like you get started with this kit and teach kids these concepts around emotions and feelings. It comes with a coloring book, instruction cards, and my second favorite part is the fact that when the box opens, it becomes a board game. And there are dozens of different games that you can play with just this one board game, and it comes with everything you need to play either at home or in the class.